This is Kalika Dikshit. I am a sales manager here at The Right Life. So I'll just take you through the project a bit. The name of this project is The Right Life. It's a joint venture by Mana and Skanda Builders. The entire township is going to be 100 plus acres of development, wherein we'll be coming up with only high-rise apartments. It will also be a mix of commercial and retail spaces. So as of now, out of the 100 plus acres that we are going to develop in future, currently we have launched our phase 1, which is right in front of you. This is 31 acres of land parcel, phase 1, wherein you can see we have 9 towers. So towers 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Plus, as a part of phase 1, we also have 2 shopping complexes coming up right on the main road. If you talk about the location of this project, this is located right on Sarjapur Whitefield Road, Sarjapur Whitefield Varthur Road, which connects you to major tech parks in the city, which is Electronic City, your Whitefield, Sarjapur, right? So, as you can see, this is the main entry for the project, which is, the phase 1. We have 2 entries and exits. That is because the main entry for the residential and you people will be different, and we have kept the entry for the retail spaces completely different, so that the residents of my property are not disturbed. So as you can see, out of these 31 acres, what we have currently launched is phase 1 is towers 1, 2 and 3, which are a combination of 3 and 3.5 BHKs. But otherwise, the entire 31 acres will be a mix of 2, 3, 3.5 BHKs and even 4 BHKs coming up very soon. I would also like to take you through the clubhouse that we have exclusively for phase 1. This is a G+3 structure. It's 1,02,000 square feet. There are some 20-25 amenities in the clubhouse. Other than the clubhouse amenities, we still have 86 plus outdoor amenities. So overall, right in phase 1, we have an exclusive clubhouse. We have 100 plus amenities. So this is one of Bengaluru's largest child-centric community that you'll find. The reason why we made this a child-centric community was because of the proximity to top international schools in this location. Right opposite to our property is Greenwood High School. Just next to my property is InVenture Academy, then United World. Right in the opposite lane, like 200 meters from here is TISB. Then we have Cambridge, NPS, DPS, everything. You name it and we have it, right? So because of that, we made this a child-centric community. Now, when I say child-centric, out of, for example, the 100 plus amenities that I have just in phase 1, 70% of them cater to the needs of children of all age groups. So any games, any activities that your children like to do nowadays, or they mention it to you, you just name it, we have it all. So as you can see, this is how the 100 acres and 100 plus acres township would look. Right on the top is your Sarjapur Whitefield Road, and the project has started from this end of the road, right? Once the entire project completes, it will complete in a U shape and it will join the main road again. That is somewhere around 500 meters from our current main gate. So as of now, this is the only entry and exit. And like I said, the entire thing hasn't been launched yet. What we have launched is 31 acres, which ends here, right? So in 31 acres, the first 2 buildings which you can see are the shopping complexes that we are coming up with, which are a part of the Right Life, but with a separate entry and exit. And then we have 9 towers here. Out of these 9 towers, we have currently launched 1, 2 and 3. These are a combination of 3 and 3.5 BHKs only, but that's not all. We have more things coming up in the project. For example, right now my towers 7, 8 and 9, we have 2 BHKs also here. These are in EOI. So if you're looking for that, you can definitely come up. And then in future, we are also going to launch our 4 BHK towers very soon. So whatever you need, The Right Life has it all. This is where my 31 acres ends here. This triangular shape shows you the clubhouse for 31 acres. And the rest of the project will surround these 2 schools here, which are nearby our property. InVenture Academy lies here, and then there is another school which is United World Academy. So the best thing is that no sort of high rise is ever coming up here. So that's about the 100 plus acres of community. So right now we are standing at one of the corridors in towers 1, 2 and 3. This is how it will be. This is a 5.1 feet corridor, and I'm going to show you 2 model apartments here. The left, towards my right side is a 3 BHK. That is the smallest dimension that we have in towers 1, 2 and 3, and just opposite to this is a 3.5 BHK. Let's see this first. So the moment you enter the house, you can see a digital lock here. This is the foyer space. It ensures a good amount of storage capacity for you. And then you enter the living and dining space. It's going to be an L-shaped living and dining along with a balcony. The balcony sizes here in this house are really good. This is a 10.2 by 4.1 feet balcony, and the view from the balcony is going to be absolutely open space. There's nothing there beyond, till wherever your eyes can see. It's all Inventure Academy land that side, and it's already an existing school, so nothing sort of a high rise is ever coming up there. Let's go to the kitchen. It's going to be an open kitchen along with a utility. The kitchen sizes again are really good, and if you talk about a utility, it's a separate space which will be open at one end. Now moving to one room here, we have one room here and then there are two rooms the other side. So let's go to this one first. This is a guest room, and again pretty decent size with a separate window here. You have a balcony. Now this particular unit that we are looking at is a model flat of the ground floor unit. So just in your balcony you can see that the planter space is outside that railing. That is how it will be on ground floor units, because that's maintained by builder as a part of their landscaping. Otherwise that planter space is not included. So you have a walk-in wardrobe space here and an attached washroom. Also to mention, this is a 3-bedroom, 3 toilets. So you have 2 of the washrooms which are in the rooms, one is common. Let's go to the second room. This can be used very much as your kids' room. Now this is my favorite room in the house because of this bay window. So you have a nice sitting space here, and this space where you see the wardrobe right now will be empty. If you're using it as a kids' room, of course you have like a lot of options to use that space for. Opposite this we have the common washroom, again pretty decent size, and this is where you enter your master bedroom from. So all of my master bedrooms come with laminated wooden flooring. In this particular master bedroom, you can see this entire space which is for the wardrobe, and we have used the entire space to its maximum capacity for the wardrobe. Then you again have a balcony here. The balcony, as you can see, is a bigger size balcony. This is somewhat around 10.2 to 5 feet balcony. This separate space which you see here is the planter space, and wherever you have a planter space in this house, it will be 2 feet deep soil. Now again this room also comes with an attached washroom, and you have another window here. So what you can see is light, ventilation and open space in any of these houses is never a problem. So let's see the 3.5 BHK now. The best part about this house is you get a pre-foyer space here. Why I call it a pre-foyer space is because this is outside your house, but then this is exactly how it will be in all of my 3.5 BHKs. This is a absolutely personal space that you get, and you can see the size. And once you enter, you have the actual foyer, which is again pretty decent size. Right now we are standing in the living and dining area, which is a 27 feet in length, and you have an extended part of this, which is the 0.5 of this house. Now this is currently a study room and an office space that we have converted it into, but otherwise this partition will not be there, not provided from the builder's end. If you're using this as a separate space, you can do it as a part of your interiors. Otherwise, again it becomes an L-shaped living and dining space, and you have a lot of options with this layout. You have another space here in the hall, which is a nook. This space will be empty. Currently we have made it something like a bar counter, but then again you have a lot of options. You can even keep a mandir here, make it a puja thing, or maybe a crockery unit, or whatever you like. Let's see the kitchen. Again, this is an open kitchen, and we have a utility which is surprisingly of a good size. It's almost as good as a servant room. Now let's go to the house, the rooms. This is my favorite room in the house. This is your guest room, and it comes with an attached washroom. Plus the best part of this room is this huge bay window. So this bay window is an extra space in this house, and it's on the entire wall, which makes the house look more airy and full of light. The other two rooms are towards the left side of the house. You have a kids' room here. And let's see the balcony from this room. So this balcony is a connected balcony which connects you from your living to the kids' room. It comes with a separate planter space. And wherever we have the planter space, it's going to be 2 feet deep soil. So you can see this entire long balcony which connects you from your living to the kids' room. Opposite the kids' room, you have your common washroom, and this is where you enter your master bedroom from. So you have this beautiful corridor space here which ensures privacy. Then the room is pretty decent size. We have a balcony there with again separate planter spaces. This is the third balcony you are seeing in the house. You have a huge walk-in wardrobe space here and an attached washroom. So this is a 3.5 BHK. All the balconies are opening towards the lake and the amenities. In 31 acres, we have 86 plus outdoor amenities. 50 plus are right in front of your 3.5 BHKs. So the view and the kind of light and space and ventilation in this house is really perfect. So I hope you like this walkthrough, and this is not enough. I want you to be here in person and meet us at The Right Life to experience a lot more. We have a lot in store for you. Please do come. This is your host Kalika signing off.